लिंक दे दो।
चैनल
हो
चल
रहा है या नहीं देखते हैं, एक सेकंड। हाँ हो रहा है, वो लिंक कॉपी कर दो ऊपर वाला। हाँ वही।
You take it from the channel.
हाँ मैं देख रहा हूँ।
दो फट से
See if the audio is working.
हाँ
Okay, hi guys. Today is 27th March, Bank Nifty expiry, and probably I'll plan to take some of the positions in Bank Nifty. So let us start with some top-down analysis. Okay, so before that you can have a look at our orders and positions. So this is what it is running for right now. Something 1.56 lakh is booked and unbooked 45,000. It is running currently, but don't take this into account. Kindly ignore this. This is punched by our algos. So this trade is separate. If you can see, all orders here are delivery orders or NRML orders. What I'll be doing is I'll be taking MIS orders, so we can kind of make a difference, or at least see the orders which I punch right now separately. Okay, so let us start with Bank Nifty. Let's switch to like 4-hour time frame. Have a look. It's better, I think we should start off with the daily time frame. See, daily time frame is kind of sideways. Okay, if you can see, let us try to understand some sentiment in the daily time frame. See, doji, indecision, and this is kind of the breakout of the doji. This level is kind of the breakout of doji. Did not sustain, again made a doji. Next day again sideways, so multiple sideways. So there's kind of no clear trend right now on the upper side, right? On the every side, basically it's kind of a doji situation. Now the thing is, next thing is what we'll look for is how about 4-hour. Okay, we'll kind of try to look at the 4-hour time frame, if it is a bullish sentiment or not, or a bearish sentiment. So just take the path tool and kind of try to draw this. If you see, market is making fresh lower high, lower low recently. Okay, in the recent time, we are not considering a lot of time before, because we are more focused on intraday trades, right? We don't need these kind of data points. So kind of see, if you see, market has broken the current swing and it is kind of holding the swing, right? Basic market structure. So basic market structure is telling us market is bullish. Basic market structure bullish. Okay, so now BMS is bullish on 4-hour. Let's see 1 hour, what is the situation. 1 hour, if we see again, see this, consider this for an intraday trade. Okay, so we don't need a lot of data points here. Previous swing is still sustaining. If we can see, previous swing is still holding very fine. Market is in a range for the day. Market started here. Market started from here, and it is making kind of a range for the day. The sentiment is bullish on BMS. 4H is bullish. 4H. BMS is again bullish for 1H. So I'll be planning to take a long trade. I'll be looking to short puts for the day. Okay, now let us consider some of the gaps and gap filling. Okay, nearby gaps, if we can see, this was kind of a gap. Okay, this was kind of a gap zone which has been filled in the morning. I'm not expecting a lot of gaps to be filled right now. Okay, morning gap filling, sideways action till now. We again may see a clear trend. Okay, there is a possibility some spikes we may be able to see. Let us mark the, उधर चला जाओ, कोई है उधर?
2-3 लोग सेट कर लो।
चल रहा है स्ट्रीम
चलने
करता। So if you see, for the daily time frame, this is the high, and again if we see on the lower side, this is the low. Okay, this is a high and this is a low, right? For the day, I'm not willing to short the market for two reasons, and these are the two reasons for which I won't be willing to short the market at any cost. I'll be willing to long the market at as per the opportunity. So I'm removing the resistance right now. I'm only considering the support. I'll be trying to short some OTM options. Time is roughly 9 p.m. We can try and get good DK. Okay. Again, one issue on the lower side is there is a small gap. There is a small gap which is kind of not good for me. This particular gap has been filled. Now if this particular gap market tries to fill this gap, I may face an issues if I'm shorting puts. Right now what has been happening, if you see this candle ka range, this particular range, right, this particular doji, this is a stop loss hunting doji. It was as simple as that. You can stream it there also, no? You can stream this thing there also, right? So if we try to see this is a good doji. Market has been trending inside this, right? So it is very much possible some mishaps can happen. Mishap as in either on the upper side or either on the lower side. Bank Nifty is being very calm, taking spikes. I'm expecting some kind of wildness. It should show, because Bank Nifty is Bank Nifty. It has some characteristics which we don't like, but we can't help it again. Yeah. So if you see the trend line on a smaller time frame, this is the situation. Again, if we try to draw a trend line from here, this is the situation. So this becomes like a symmetric triangular pattern, which is again a pattern which indicates that things are kind of dicey. Dicey as in market can break out on either side. See, we are confirmed on one side, that is again kind of peaceful. But if we are not confirmed on one side, kind of market is trying to, it can even break this down and take a gap filling move till here, or it can break on the upper side, take a resistance directly from the day high. I'll kind of try to mark these day high zones. This is a fresh resistance. Okay. It has started to showing us signs, right? Proper signs. Okay, let it come down, that is no issue. And on the lower side for the day, now I'll tell you. So this is what the problem is right now. There's no clear direction. Either it can go up or either it can come down. So I'll probably like to wait. See, if you can see, because it's a very dicey situation, right? There's no clear trend, either upside, either downside. We can sell strangles, eat some DK, but that is not what I'm here for at this moment. Okay, my view is slightly bullish, as in kind of biased on the bullish side. If market comes till 7:30, this is a good point to long the market. Why? I'm bullish for two reasons which I have written, I believe, right? So because of these two reasons, I'm kind of expecting the market to bounce back from 7:30 levels. It's better we can have a look at the option chain. Okay, to short some puts I need to see the premiums. Yes, so let's say let's open an SC option chain, or we can even go to Sensible and do that, I believe. I will switch to Bank Nifty. We'll look on the put side. See, now the issue is something at the money is only what I have a good juice at. See, 11 rupees I'm gonna make nothing out of it. 30 rupees again I'm gonna make something. 83 I'll be in trouble. Probably 12 and 29 is what I can short right now. So 46 600 put kind of becomes a good bet. 46 600 put. Let's add it on a watch list. 46 600 put at 12 13, right? So we'll kind of pop this chart out. Bank Nifty also will have to keep an eye at 730 levels. I'm probably willing to do some actions. Let's wait for our chance. Okay, market will give us enough chances. 740 levels is kind of fine. Okay, we'll wait for a spike. We'll get a better price in that case. Nifty Bank. What is the ticker? Bank Nifty. Okay. Wait for the futures. We'll wait for the futures to come at 740 levels. Okay. Just wait. We'll take some 60 quantities. I'm selling this on intraday, okay, because it will get confused with our other positions. I'll open Bank Nifty futures here. So market made a low of 753. So my first entry I would like to take at 7, switching it to 3 minutes. See, this will be a very good entry for me, and let's mark these levels. Okay. Horizontal line, horizontal area. 743. I'll get my order window ready. Don't want to miss this. $743 market intraday. Let's wait for it. And I'll again try to sell the market at 700. Okay. Will it come to 740? Yes, done. Sold. Executed at I think I got an execution at. Did I buy it by mistake? Let us see the executed order once. Wanted to sell it. MIS. Let us filter with quantities. Okay, I shorted a put. Okay, we are at 60-70 rupees gain. Okay, shorted at 14.55. It is currently trading at 12 rupees. Okay, I'm willing to average this position in case it is going against me. Okay, at what price I'll be willing to average this again at 707. This is 920 ka price na? Roughly I believe this level will be kind of good, 22. Okay, 22 is my next average, so I'll get the order ready. 60 quantities, willing to average at 22. In case if it is not going in my favor, I'm willing to there are two I take two positions all the time if you are following my live streams. Okay, one position is first thing. If I go wrong again, I'll take a fresh position. Okay, so 22 is my next entry. We'll try to mark this. The market is coming at 22. We'll short again. Order is ready here, right? If it doesn't come, it's fine. We'll not even look at it. Okay, there's a gap to fill on the lower side, and that is risky. My stop loss will be simply at 28. Okay, simple. Stop loss at 28. Let us take a short position. Short. Where is the short?
Their names.
Yeah, short.
What about this?
We'll short it again at 22. I will short it at 22, and stop loss I'm willing to take at roughly 28. 28 stop. 28. Let's see. Let the price come at 22. See, I've shorted one at 14. If it comes at 22, what will happen? My average price will 14 and 22 average will be 18, 19, right? And I'll be taking a 10-point stop loss. I'm looking for a 18-point target, that is like 0. Want the option to go to 0. Okay, so if the option goes to 0, I'll be making 1:1.8 kind of thing, or 1.5 at least. Okay, you can calculate if you wish to. Price is 15. Willing to sell it again. Let us see. Let it come up. That's fine. My target will obviously be 0. First trade is kind of a I don't want to miss a move. That is what the first trade tells us. Second trade is just if the move is still there, just because of spikes. If we are thrown out, I don't want to do that also. So 14.55 is the average price. Willing to short those market again at 22 levels. Let us see. Let us have this order ready. I feel Bank Nifty is here just for a spike. It can kind of again look at this market 60 intraday. So shorted at 14.55, it is kind of still hovering here. Let us see what the market has to tell us. Clean 1.2 point. The market is kind of reversing from here. We are gonna get a good decay. If not, we'll take a loss. That's it. That's fine. We'll keep an order at 22, 23. Shall I use a stop? Okay, at 22 we have a sell order again. So this is 60 quantity, this is 60. I'll place a stop loss for 120 quantities. If not, so it's simple. The market comes down, stop loss won't be it. But if the market goes very fast, one order is already there, one will execute again here, right? And third, it will take a stop loss also. So 28.4, I'll kind of keep a stop loss. Let's come back again here. So order pending. Yeah, so we have this at 23. Whenever the market goes to 23, not 23, let's make it 22. Okay, or let's make it from here itself, 22. I want to sell the option at 22, right? Done. Now for both the quantities, that is 60 is now 60. If it touches 22, I'll again be triggering out 60 quantities. For 120 quantities, I want my SL to be placed at 28 point. We'll keep 28.4. Okay, 28.4. Okay, 28.4. So let's do it. Let's try to do it 60. This is the positions which I have taken. SL. Yeah, advance, stop loss. 20. What was the stop loss I was willing to have a look at? 28.4. But remember, quantity will be 120 because when the market goes up, it will trigger 60 other quantities. Okay. 32 is fine. 32.28 at 120 quantities. This is fine. Order is placed. So now I have two pending orders. One is a sell order which will trigger at 22. Another is an SL order for both the legs. One leg is already running. One leg is yet to trigger. But if it, in case it is triggering, execution will be at 28 for the stop loss. So in this position, I'm taking. Let us calculate something. Okay. For both the legs, my SL is, let's say, 28.5. Okay, trade is going again in my favor. We'll write it down here. See, trade 1 sold at 14.55. SL is 28, kind of, right? 28.5. Target is 0. This becomes a, which implies this is roughly a 1:1 trade. Trade 2, which is again the trigger is pending at 22. SL is at 28. That is like a 6-point SL. Target is at 0. We'll give it 28.5. Target is 0. So I'm taking a 6.5 rupees risk or premium risk, 6.5 rupees, and I'm willing to make another 22 rupees. So let's do some maths. 22 divided by 6.5. that is 3.38. Okay, let us round it to 3.35. Let's do it. So this becomes 1:3.38 trade. So this is the positions breakup. Okay, if you can try to read this, you can get it. Simple positions breakdown. This is the view. View is simple. We did some top down analysis and we have all the orders in place. Now what is our job? Just to sit and relax, wait for the market to make moves. Not gonna do anything. Let us look at some data by then. ATM IV is okay, IVP is also decent. It may cool down after some time. OI, if we see, where is the PCR? OI change, okay. OI is kind of good. There is a good support at 46,700 and a resistance at 46,800. That is again kind of lot of volumes. That's it, nothing else. OI versus time is also future OI. Okay, again it's kind of okay, sideways too. PCR is 0.76, that indicates a bit of a bearishness. So are we against the trend? I don't know, let's see. But we have an analysis, we'll hold on to it. For the same reason, guys, kind of shorting an OTM option. I don't want a lot of stress when the option goes against me. That is one fine reason we are playing in on OTMs. So let's see how this goes. Let's do some nifty analysis by that time. Nifty sideways, if we can see there's a good trend line which is the market is holding. Oh shit, I break down the trend line, it seems. I did not see Nifty. That's fine. Okay, we'll take a stop loss, no worries. Market may break a trend line here on a smaller time frame. I think market will make a big move today. Why? Because it has been sideways. Do you see? From 10 a.m. till now, no movement. Doesn't happen like that. Doesn't work like that for markets. This seems a good zone where the market may come back again. Okay. If market comes back again, I'll be taking out my stop loss. I'll be probably booking the loss. That's fine. Okay. There are multiple supports. If you can have a look, there are multiple supports. This will act as a support. This will act as a small support. This will again act as a small support. This also will act as a small support. Multiple supports we have, but this is a good support. The rectangle which I have drawn, that is kind of a good support. All these lines are small minor supports. Maybe market may stay there for 1 minute or something, that's it. Or it may even break it very vigorously also. So this is like one more benefit of shorting OTM options at the time of expiry, evening. Why? Because there's a good decay. If we can all have a look. Interesting. Market is trying to spike up. See guys, have a look. Let us see what the charts are trying to tell us. This was the time when I have entered already, right? This price. Market is still below the price. I was expecting the market to go up from here. Still I am in the profit. Why? Just because of this OTM option. Just because of the OTM option. So that is nice. In the evening, see, I like trading in the evening just for the same reason. Why? Because I get good theta decay, which again turns in my favor, and obviously it helps. Obviously it helps. Have a look. These zones are again congestion zones, as in Where do I have those rectangles? Yeah, I think here, yeah. This again is a good zone from where market should show some support, kind of these zones. I think it may trigger my 22 wall order. One thing, yes, Nifty. That is what I was expecting, right? I was telling this seems like a breakdown. Why? It is 2:30, right? A trend can come, plus the market has been sideways throughout the day. If there is a breakdown at this point of time, it's probably kind of confirmed. Market may go up or fall down. See, we are at 46,600. The strike is somewhere here. So I'm quite away. We'll still be making some okayish amount. Let's see how much can we book if it goes in my favor. Positions 60, so we can make like 800 rupees, 870 rupees if this goes in my favor. If it doesn't go in the favor, it's fine, we'll lose something. And one trade is 1:3.3. if you can have a look, 3.38. Another trade is 1:1. Kind of seems decent. 700 is a good support, guys, according to the OI. It seems I'm kind of safe. So our agenda for the day now, we'll have to wait and then watch what the market has to tell us. That's completely free focus money. If we can get one hammer, guys, one hammer, if it forms here. See, these are good zones for reversal. Okay, good zones for reversal. One hammer, if it forms here, one perfect hammer, and the option will go in vain. As simple as that. Why? Yeah, high time for DK, right? It's 2:30, 2:36 actually, to be precise. Now let's like have a look at Nifty. Okay, breakdown, a pause. See, below these are multiple zones where you see from where market has kind of reversed on the upper side. So it is very evident that if the market comes again to these zones, someone may be willing to buy. This is more than enough to make money on expiry day, that too on options. Okay, that too on options. So like let us like wait for it. Okay, price is 8 rupees. Price is 8, and market made one hammer on the previous candle. If you can see on my left hand side, Bank Nifty, one hammer, it was more than enough for the option to make a DK. Okay, and let's see how the whole thing goes. I think within the next 30 minutes will be quite clear if we are going to make money or not, or if we are going to lose money. That too is fine. Anything is fine. Profit or loss, we are not here for profit or loss. The idea is just to kind of try to learn. Okay, let's have a look. Price is 6 rupees. 6 rupees, one hammer, guys, one hammer. Take a hammer, hit it on the chart, it will go up. ₹5, guys, 5 rupees, 5.5, 5.5, there it goes. goes. Can they do it or can they not? Whoa. Good volatility. Good volatility, guys. I like it. I like it. Good volatility. Amazing. Insane. This option is kind of stuck at 5. It's good for us, right? It's too good for us. One green candle, one closing of the green candle above 743 levels, which I have marked on the chart. Done and dusted. So yes, and there we go. Option makes a dip of 4, lowest of the day. I think that's enough. Done for the day. Done for the day. Right. 3 rupees is what we have right now. 3.5. Can they do it 3? See, now at this point, now guys, something important. This particular point, I won't expect the market to give me a re-entry at 22. I would expect the market to give me a re-entry at 16. I'll modify my order. Okay. And if the re-entry comes, we'll take it again. And I would take a stop loss 16. Na? I'll keep it 21. That 5 points more than enough. 20.7. And limit will be 25 is fine, I think. Quantity is just 120, so should not be much of an issue. There we go. 2 rupees. Told you, right? One green candle above 743 levels. We are done for the day. As simple as that. Why are there 2 orders? It's kind of confusing. This was supposed to be a sell order, right? At 16. Let me check it once. There is some issue with. Okay, orders pending should be 2. Okay, one is a sell order at 16.7. One is a SL order at 20. That's fine. That's actually fine. Again, see a proper fresh, this thing, fake breakdown. That is how the market is. That is how it is. Shows you dreams. We'll try to take trades. It's kind of goes in a vein. It's better we can, wait for our opportunity. It should not be you should not follow the market or let the market dictate you. You should tell the market, okay, if it is coming in our price, we'll be kind of willing to trade it. If not, I won't even be interested to touch the market. Okay, that's how it's kind of good. That is how you should think of. Okay, don't jump. Never jump in a trade. Okay, never ever jump. So next entry would be at 16. So I'll kind of modify this. 16 and 20 and 0. We'll bring this down here. First trade 1:1 is running. Trade 2 entry at 16. SL is at 20. 4 point SL, 16 point target. That becomes a 1:4. Roughly 1:4 trade. Okay. Have a look. The market shoots up again. The put shoots up again. We'll get a re-entry and we'll see if it goes in our favor or not. If not, let it be. One entry is good, more than enough, right? Price at 3, 3.1. What is the lowest low it made? This is the low, right? What is the lowest 2 point? What was it? 2.3. Okay. Cool. Let's go. See if something can happen or not. See now what has happened. If you have a look, clean bullish 4 hour, bullish 1 hour. So we'll only look for a bull trade or as in long trade. Nifty breakdown, which is not very strong, made a hammer here, which again indicates there's not a very strong move on the lower side. If it was an expiry fall, it would have fallen, couldn't even stop it. Now it seems it's kind of a fake breakdown, or if you can redraw the trend line, again this trend line also makes sense, right? There are multiple ways to look at the charts, so both are making sense. Now it's totally our discretion, our decision to judge the market. Okay, let us have a look over here. See, even if the market, if it falls down very vigorously, will kind of make loss, and I'm totally ready for it. But if it doesn't fall, we'll definitely be booking profits. Even if it stays here, see what I've shorted is 46,600 puts. Okay, 46,600 puts is kind of decently OTM option. Now if there is a fake breakdown also, that's quite possible, I believe. See what has happened. There was a support zone, market fell down, reversed again inside the zone, right? This is a fake breakdown, simple. And these are the zones which we are looking for reversal, right? The pink zones which I have drawn. Again, market is kind of trying to reverse from those pink zones itself. What can be a better day than this? Let me know, tell me. Nothing. What can be a better day? There cannot be a better day. Every day is the best day. It's just our responsibility to try to figure and find out opportunities. See, even if the market is kind of falling, this option is not even moving. Why? It's an OTM option. See, market can shoot up again, take my both stop loss. That is again fine. I'm willing to give it. But as of now, I'm not willing to trail my stop loss. There is a possibility market can even come till 12 levels. Okay, but it's fine. Our entry is at 16.7. If it comes, we'll take an entry. If it doesn't come, it's fine. To the stop loss 20. Stop loss is at 20.2. तो एक्चुअल में तो 4.76 risk reward है on the second trade, which is not triggered yet. Okay, keep in mind it is not triggered. If it triggers, it's fine. Let's wait and watch. Last 12 to 15 minutes to go. Let's see where the market can head. Now our job is just to sit patiently and watch this whole drama out there. Puts are decaying very nicely. I can see that. Let's see, interesting. Last 2 rupees. Can we take it or can we not? Can we take it or can we not? See, again from here I've seen option shooting till 100. Okay, there are days. There will be days. 100 is the 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 100 is And that is the risk which I'm willing to take at this particular point. So let's say 2.75. This option is not even moving at this particular time. There's a sure shot receipt. It is at 2 or 3 rupees, shorted at 14. Should be booking it by now, but as per my rules, I just keep at the entry price. Okay, see, if it shoots up again, I'll get a 1:4.76 trade also. Remember it. It's not a lose. I may lose on the both trades. See, there are three possibilities which can happen. I may lose on both the trades, or I may get a 1:4.7 gut trade. I don't want to miss the 1:4.7 also. So let's see. I want it to shoot up, not so vigorously, obviously, for obvious reasons. I want like a small spike on the upper side. I don't think that also this particular option there is strength in this option. See how dead it is, totally dead. Time is 2:50. We have like 10, not 10, 9 odd minutes to 3 p.m. 3 p.m. we may see some action. That is again, I have, that is one issue which can happen. 3 p.m. action. So that becomes a bit dicey for us. But as of now, though, it's not doing a lot. Okay, Bank Nifty. Wow, what a volatility. Have a look on that particular candle. Have a look. These candles are just there to take your stop loss, nothing else. This is one reason, guys, by the time the day is coming to an end, I generally don't take the whenever the day is coming to an end, I generally don't trail my stop losses very aggressively, and that is the reason why. Yeah, that is the reason why. Have a look. 3-minute candle. Look at 3-minute candle. What is the high minus low? 50 points. 50 goddamn points. Okay. Let's see. $700 is kind of a good support. See, you see this. This was the fresh low market made, right? After that, it broke the low just to hunt your stop losses, just to hunt retailer stop losses, right? Remove it. See the next wicket made. This was to hunt the retailer stop loss, right? Third candle, do you see again one spike? Just to take your stop loss. So all these things keep in mind. All these things are kind of very important. There is a cloth. You can take it off. I put it to vibe. Yeah, guys, so yes, that is option selling for you. Okay, have a decent outlook of the market, simple price action, top down analysis, premium selection, a view, a bit of an experience, and that's it. That's more than enough. Okay, 1.9 rupees is what the price is. 1.9 can now see. There is one thing which I'm scared of, honestly speaking. 3 p.m. 3 p.m. I am expecting some moves. It may come. See, it may or may not, right? We are not gods. So it may or may not come. Now the thing is, we'll have to wait and watch. Mm-hmm. Okay. See, again, I believe it will come and hunt the stop loss at 3 and will shoot up. That is what Bank Nifty is most famous for. Hunting stop losses for no reason, zero reasons. It will come, take your stop losses, it will smile at you, it will go away. See, if you wish, we can again short it at 4 or something. I won't take that because my risk reward won't be very sensible right now at this particular point of time. Time is what, 2:55. It makes no sense for me to go and short fresh. Post 132 it becomes sense because I get a good risk reward, good movement in the market. What will happen? This will freshly move 2-3 points below. It can easily move 2-3 points on the upper side. Again, the thing is my system, or whatever you say, the risk reward system or anything, doesn't allow me to do this. Doesn't allow me. And becomes kind of very senseless, pointless to sell penny options. Yeah, 10, 15, 20 rupees is still fine for Bank Nifty. One OTM. See, we sold something for 14, but remember it was OTM 1. So till OTM 2, if you sell, that is still fine. ATM, OTM 1, OTM 2, still kind of fine. If you go like OTM 10, OTM 5, OTM 15, no. That again is fine, but your risk reward won't be there. Now you're selling something for 1, you're keeping a stop loss at 2, so you're getting a 1:1 trade. If you keep a stop loss at 1.2, it will obviously hit it any time of the day, right? So it becomes very, very, very senseless, pointless, worthless. See here, 1:1, 1:4.76. That is what the beauty is. If you go on ATMs and near the money, OTM 1, see, do you see this? Stop loss hunts. Stop loss hunts. This was the previous low. Stop loss hunt can form as a hammer. Can form as a hammer. This particular candle, the current one. Look at it, how the behavior is. Check out how it is moving. See, when it is coming at these levels, it is shooting up very fast, right? That means simple, it is there just to take your stop loss, nothing else. See, post 3 p.m. it may fall down. It is quite possible. Okay, so 3 p.m. is a gamble for me. It's kind of a gamble situation. The position which I have, I can book it also if I want to, but probably I think it is fine to hold it. But post 3 p.m. is kind of a gamble situation where you don't know where the market is gonna go, either up, either down. But based on the BMS stands for basic market structure, I believe it should shoot up on the upper side. See, there was some you have a look again. I was telling you at 4 we can short, right? See what is the high of this particular candle, 3.83. Made a high of 3.83, fell down, right? 3, 4, these levels were looking good. See how beautifully it is there just to take your stop losses, right? Just came, kissed your stop losses, smiled at you, cursed you. It's going up. That is what Bank Nifty is for you guys. So let us see what can be done on these positions. I'm quite confident right now holding this. Why? Because fresh low 1.7, that is kind of good. Making a fresh intraday low. What is the fresh intraday low? 1.6. Okay, 1.6 is the fresh intraday low. It is what it is making. Let it come down. We can ask it to come down also. Let us try. Come down. See, probably it will expire at 0 only, I believe. Good spike. See, do you see again? You have a look, have a look, have a beautiful SL hunting. Beautiful stop loss hunting on the lower side. Upper side again, if you see, proper stop loss hunting, right? See, where do people keep stop losses? Swing high, swing low, right? That is the best possible scenario for market to go and hunt your stop loss. See, could have shorted a call over here at this particular price, but I'm not interested to short a call today, right? You know my psychology, right? Why am I not interested? So yeah, could have shorted a call, but I'm not interested to play with the fire at this point of time. That is like 3 p.m. Okay. See, we called it on the lower side, right? It is making a fresh low now. It is listening to us. That's fine. That's nice. So 15 odd seconds to go, and yes, can definitely shoot up on the upper side or it will be dead. So we are in a territory as of now. Yes, there you go. 3 p.m. 3 p.m. 3 p.m. What's the scenario? What's the scenario? What's the scenario? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I've seen options trading at 1 go to 100 as well. It's kind of risky. That is what it is. I told you I've decided it not to cover it. Right? Probably I would definitely like to cover it at 80 paisa or 80 70 paisa 90 paisa. See, two reasons. Okay, no, not two reasons, one reason. It's an intraday order. I'm not mixing it with my delivery orders. Why? Because it will again cause a sense of confusion for me, for you, for everyone, right? If we see the positions, all are my delivery orders. Can you have a look? Del, right? In option selling, if you see, okay, there are some intraday also. Okay, Dell and intraday both are there, but that's fine. I just kept it like 60. This is our order, right? 60 quantities intraday, right? Intraday market is gonna close anytime soon. No, not the market, basically the broker is gonna ask you to square off. It's gonna tell you, see, good fall in Nifty, good trend line breakdown, which was a bit anticipated. Now I'm expecting a good support from these zones. Good support. See what is happening. Bank Nifty is breaking on the upper side, Nifty is falling on the lower side. Perfect sense of confusion, right? Is the best time to avoid the markets. Don't even dare to look at the charts. Why? There are 2-3 things should be kept in mind. See, things need to go hand in hand. Okay, there is some strength in some index and there is weakness in the other. Probably there will be a volatility only. See, volatility up and down here and there, useless and senseless, whatever you can call it. That has to be kept. Oh my god, what a fall, decent fall. I'm still expecting Nifty. Okay, that is a good fall. Can reverse from here. What is happening? Nifty straight away fell down. Intraday high to down is like 70-80 points down. This particular 3 p.m. I told you I was expecting some move, right? This is the move. Didn't happen in Bank Nifty, happened in Nifty. See, 3 p.m. move, right? See, it's what is the situation of Bank? Okay, now see, now Bank Nifty again. Now it is in sync, right? Nifty and Bank Nifty both are in sync, and that is kind of very disturbing for me. Okay, 700 was a good OI support. That is the only thing I have. Now I'm going to keep my stop loss at 2, or probably if we can cover it off, that also is fine. Stop loss at 2 is decent. If it spikes, I don't want to be caught right now. That time it was not moving with the market. Currently, what is the situation? I'll cancel this fresh order which we placed for fresh entry. We'll keep a stop loss at 2. That is fine. 2, and this can be 5. We'll keep a healthy gap, right? We don't want to miss our stop loss. 80 paisa, 85 paisa, 75 paisa. Sorry. 70 paisa. There you go. Dead. Good support Nifty from the zones which we actually drew, right? Zones, god level things, not god level, but actually kind of very, very, very helpful, right? Again, the similar idea. See, volatility, nothing else. It's showing signs it will fall down, just bluffing you at this point of time. See, probably see time is 3-5. I'll need to square off my positions at 3:10 because I'll be charged a penalty if I don't square it off, right? Intraday, it's an intraday order. So let's have a look. $50 paisa, can we take it? This is a free money for me. Why not? Give me a reason for not to take it. There's no particular reason, right? I'll try to take it. So you can trail our stop loss again. What is the price? 60 paisa. I'll keep it 1.3 rupees stop loss, double stop loss, as simple as that. Okay, 1.3 and this limit, let's keep it at 4. It's fine. We'll have some buyers, I believe. Okay, Nifty should have taken a support. It's not. It's getting ruthless. It's fine, at least. Bang Nifty, it is not the same case. Okay. Have a look. Volatility. But again, option selling, there are two things you'll have to keep in mind. First is direction. Second is time. Okay, time is also one factor. Direction, we have been very wrong till now. Okay, we are like 40 points wrong already, but we have a thing called time in our hand that is helping us to cover our losses. Similar way, you have let's say there's a situation where you have a very good best friend in your life. You make mistakes, that guy comes to you, covers all your mistake, or let's say your parents or well-wisher or your guardians. Similarly, this time decay is something similar in options. You make a mistake, there's this time decay which is there to cover off your mistakes. Actually fine. Price is 0.75. Can it shoot to 1.3? 1.3 is my exit. See, time is 15:06. Another 3.5 minutes to go. We'll be done and dusted. This will be 30-20 paisa trading, and that is more than enough for me to take an exit. I need more reasons to hold this trade. So I can even exit right now, but why should I exit it if it's free money for me, right? It's kind of free as of now, right? Probably by 3:10, 3:12, this will be trading at 15 paisa. That is what I have faith in. Okay, puts are inflating, even at the money puts are inflating. 46,800 puts. That particular candle inflated from 82 to 87. Kind of nice. Let's see. I wish the market to go up. I would expect it. Why? Simple as that. I don't want to play with fire at this point. It's already more than enough. I want this trade to end in peace. I don't want any violence at this point of time. Okay, 85 paisa, 95 paisa, 1 rupees, just to take your stop loss. See, slowly, taking stop loss. There you go. This particular stop loss again was hunted by this green candle. Again, this green candle stop loss is being hunted right now. Right? Fresh lows it is making. Thing is, the 4H and 1H is bullish. So I'm kind of fine to hold my trades. Okay, I need not care a lot about it. The volatility is high, bro. Have a look. What is the range? 257, 3 to 3, the time is 38, 3 to 38 roughly. 900 points range, look at the spikes. 3 times it is touching on the upper side, 4 times it is touching on the lower side. This whole range, this whole box. This becomes kind of tough. This is kind of very tough to trade. This volatility zones. That is one more reason we like to trade OTM options. So I think 46,800 puts are also decaying. So that is like in the money puts. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Done, right? 310. I was telling you this option is gonna be worthless. Time is 39:41 seconds. You see that 45 paisa. It's more than enough. That's more than enough. Don't need anything more. I mean, there's always room for more, but at this point of time, no. We'll plan to exit by 3:10. Okay. So time is 3:10. So I can wait for it to go to 0. It's an intraday order, so I'm like exiting it. Okay. 50, 40. Can we do it 40? Can we do it 40 or can we not? Yes. Let's have a look. This was our option. 40 is what I would like to exit. So I'm not gonna place a limit at this point of time because we have to struggle with the execution. Also, it's an intraday order. If it takes time, I'll be charged a penalty, which doesn't make sense. Already I've like captured 90%, I would believe. 90% at least, 90 to 95. So 45 is the rate, 50 is the rate. 45, 50, you wanna see 40. If it comes 40, I press market, I'll get an execution at 45. 40, can we do 35 within the next 1 to 1.5 more minute? 35, 35, 35, 35, 35. Yes, and there you go. Done and dusted. Now I would remove my pending stop loss order, which is again a very important thing you should take care of. No, have a look. 46,600 put. Yes. 35. This is what our position is. Average price. Orders completed. Where did I get an execution? Market. The stop loss got cancelled. That is fine. I wanted to see what price did I get an execution. Okay, price is 0 because it's a 0.45. 0.45 we got an exit. Time is 15:11:07. 0.45 we got an exit. Shorted at 14, so that's like 14-15 points, kind of decent. Our algo is also performing kind of nice for the day. Nifty, yes, it will take us upward definitely. If it had to fall, it would have fallen by 2, then it would have been a great fall. If not, it's kind of useless. See now, 25-20 paisa. If you don't want to miss this, it's fine, make it a delivery and take it home. That is also fine. There is no penalties on index. Just don't square it off. As simple as that. There you go. Okay, pro tip. No penalties you're gonna get. Anyways, guys, so that was a very interesting trade, I would tell you. Learned something, I believe. Or let's say this. Yes, have a look. This is the summary of the trade. I feel the learning here was delivered to you. Hope you liked it. We'll meet again. Tomorrow is Nifty's expiry. We'll try to have a look what else we can do. So 20 paisa, you can even eat it now if you want to. 20-25 paisa. It's totally up to you. Again, there is a risk if the market shoots down violently at this point of time. You may lose. To take this 20 paisa, you may even have to sacrifice 200 rupees. Okay, have that in mind always. Risk reward is the ultimate and the supremest thing you can ever have. Okay, so guys, let's meet tomorrow again. Have a good evening. Hope you like the trade. Thank you.